Hey guys, welcome to another video and another question. So the question that I have for you today is from random variables, and we should be trying to find out median for a particular random variable. Suppose a random variable x takes values -2, 0, 1, and 4 with probabilities 0.4, 0.1, 0.3, and 0.2 respectively. Then in that case, the unique median of the distribution is 1. The unique median of the distribution is 0. The unique median of the distribution lies between 0 and 1. The distribution has multiple medians. Okay. So what would be the correct answer to this? What is median? The first thing that we need to know, what is median? So median, in case, there are, say, 5 students and I want to find out the median height. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make them stand in, say, increasing or decreasing order. And median height would be the middle height, okay? The middle height. So on the lesser than that height, or an equal number of students compared to the students who have more height than this particular height. So what will be the median height? Median height will be the height of this person, because there are 2 students who have lesser than this height and 2 who have higher than this height. So basically, if I think in terms of area, median is that value of x which divides the area into 50-50%. So divides the area, that value of x. So now what we have is a discrete random variable. A discrete random variable x, which is taking values, let me see that again, -2, 0, 1, and 4. And the values it is taking with certain probabilities. The probabilities are 0.4, 0.1, 0.3, 0.2 respectively. Now, how do you figure out median? You figure out median by looking at the cumulative probabilities. I'm just telling you the way to figure it out, and then I'll define what is median for a discrete random variable. So since there's nothing lesser than -2, so what we have here is I have 0.4, so it'll remain 0.4. Cumulative at 0 will be the sum of 0.4 and 0.1, that is 0.5. Cumulative for the value x equal to 1. Cumulative means probability x is less than or equal to x, right? So for the value 1, it will be, you have to add up till 1. So that means 0.4 plus 0.1 plus 0.3, that gives you 0.8. And of course, the total sum of all the probabilities is 1. So the cumulative for the last 0.4 has to be 1, right? Now, how do you define median? So median for a random variable, for a discrete random variable, is that value of x, the probability till that x is more than or equal to 50%, and the probability greater than or equal to that particular x is also more than or equal to 50%. So how do you define it for discrete random variable? Median, m. So m is the median in case what is happening? If probability x is less than or equal to m is also greater than or equal to 0.5. Probability x is greater than or equal to m is also greater than or equal to 0.5. And that gives us, now if you observe probability till 0, probability x is less than or equal to 0 is 0.5. And probability x is less than or equal to 1 is 0.8, again, more than or equal to 50%, right? So if you observe probability x is less than or equal to 0, that clearly is more than 0.5. It's actually equal to 0.5. It's equal to 0.5. So I can take it as greater than or equal to 0.5. And if you observe probability x less than or equal to 1, that's 0.8. That's also greater than or equal to 0.5. Now, if you observe, what is the probability x is greater than or equal to 0? Probability that x is greater than or equal to 0 will be 0.1 plus 0.3 plus 0.2. That is 0.6, which is also greater than or equal to 50%. And probability x is greater than or equal to 1 is equal to greater than or equal to 1 is equal to 0.3 plus 0.2. That is 0.5, which also I can take as greater than or equal to 0.5. It's 0.3 plus 0.2. So what you can see is probability when x is less than or equal to 0, that is also more than 50%. Probability when x is greater than or equal to 0, that is also more than 50%. So 0 is a median. And what you can see the same thing for x equal to 1 as well. So x equal to 0 and x equal to 1, both are satisfying this. What does this tell you? This tells you that they both are medians for this x. The thing is that we cannot say that, okay, these are the two values, x equal to 0 and 1. And let's take the average of these two. And we can say that, the median is average of these two. And that will be the point that, which is dividing the data in 50-50%. Why? Because it's a discrete random variable. So discrete random variable is taking discrete values. It takes the value 0 and after that it is taking the value 1 only. So x is not taking any other value in between 0 and 1. So I can't say that there is some other value which is the median. So I'm going to say that x equal to 0 and x equal to 1, they both are medians. So yes, we do have multiple median in that sense here. And the answer is that the distribution has multiple medians because 0 and 1 both will be quoted as the median. So D should be the correct answer. And that's the way to find out median for a discrete random variable. I hope you will remember this fact from now on. Thank you very much.